Hi guys, BG Gaming and Trading Cards here, and today in this video we are going to be doing another food for you and taste, and we are going to be eating some peaches, as you can see here guys. So yeah, this is what the peaches look like. I have tried a peach before, but I haven't. Last tried it was about a year ago, so yeah, it's quite soft and furry. So yeah, let's get straight into it, shall we? Right. Very furry.
Furry. Nice inside.
Very sweet.
Skin tastes of nothing really.
But
What colour is yours inside? Yours is orange, mine's yellow.
right. It's very nice, very sweet. It's got a lot of flavour to it though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it 9 out of 10.
I'm good at 9 out of 10 too.
The only reason is because the skin is like doesn't really taste of anything.
I
So.
won't eat these all the time too.
I would.
I can't have them all the time.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you smash that button, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.